Okay, this is kind of a placeholder for, as I call it, BM. Don't worry, that's before mitral, like my mitral surgery in a couple, 3 days. This is going to be a placeholder because I'm gonna think about it and do it, but you know, I might not get to that. I got a lot on my mind. I'm making about 15 or 20 pairs of these gloves for you guys. That's that's Team Cannula, and somewhere Team Cannoli. Well, you know, they're sort of the same. Anyway, so I'm making something. Oh, what? Oh, there's Lynn, and she's my nurse Ratchet. Thanks, Lynn. I got a lot of people to thank. One of them is Justin from the making place. You know, he's been helping me with some of the bling. And Scola, you can't quite read that. That's just given me a new joy in life. The Scola School, do you know about that? It's over here about 5 miles. And of course oh wait, this is dirty. Wait a minute, let's clean this off. Don't worry, I forgot the wipes. They're somewhere. Yeah, this is keep looking up. If you know, surgery doesn't go well, I saw Jupiter last night up there. My dad's up there, my mom's up there. What? No, Mom. Wait. Oh, this? Hang on. That goes with my pant leg where I did that's the the catheter urine. Okay, you gotta have an indicator, like a warning. And yeah, Lynn, thanks very much for doing this. And Steve, I don't know where you are. I got a set of pills. I gotta have a bunch of pills. We don't really need those. But what was I gonna say? Got making place, this. Oh yeah, wait a minute, take this off. I'm gonna put a heart on here, and I don't know exactly where it goes, but Dr. Matt, boy, he knows where. This is a little small, isn't it? Oh, wait a minute, here. Yeah, that's a bigger one. Now, Dr. Matt, man, he's cutting right between here and here, looking into my heart, fixing the mitral valve, maybe the tricuspid. And maybe, can he take a little of this off? And he said that's the extra 30 grand or something. Or no, triples the cost. What a jokester. And I thought, well, what kind of music? Would we listen to Bruce Springsteen? And then I thought, Dr. Matt gets to pick the music. He's done 1,000 of these. So everything will be fine. Oh yeah, wait, I forgot. I was gonna show you this hot yet. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna iron this on. Oh, yeah, I see it's upside down. Or maybe I'm upside down. Like my twin brother Bert said back in a family comment, I said, boy, you guys sure are different. I got 3 brothers and mom and dad. You guys sure are different. He said, yeah, someone's different, pointing at, you know what. So yeah, maybe that's my heart that's different. We'll see. I'd love to get a picture in my chest of the heart. I don't know how else they can get, but anyway, no, I'm not gonna iron this on my chest. I'm stupid. I mean, hey, whatever. I'm not stupid. Anyway, but meanwhile, I'm keeping up with my protocol. Thank you, Kirsten. What? Yeah. This is clean. Yeah, I know exactly how this works. Hey, how come somebody's already helping me? I can get it up there more. Keep this clean. I think that's all the stuff I had to say. I may expand this as the days get closer, but I think I'm gonna run out of time doing more things. I still gotta get a couple cases of Milton's, my favorite cracker. Oh yeah, I'm gonna bring baby Jesus. You know what they are. You'll find them. They'll be in your grab bag of keepsakes. Okay, that's about all. Just in case, I've had a great life. Thanks, Mom and Dad, and thanks all you people in Montana that are supporting me. Can you hear all right? Anyway, I'm feeling pretty good, pretty positive, and pretty cold. It's like 14 degrees out, but I like cold plunges, but not for a while. I'll behave. Anyway, you'll see me around, and 4 or 5 days in the hospital, then to Steve's, I got a, oh yeah, I can write that somewhere. I got a carrying bridge. It's Brogan's Adventure. I'll send you a link. It's probably going to be on my t-shirt or the bottom of my foot or somewhere. Yeah, sign the back of my shirt. It's a special orange scrub. I ordered that from Peoria. You know. Okay, whoops, don't worry. I'm keeping this clean. Now most of you probably hung up. And yeah, this will probably be it. I don't think I'm going to edit this. Okay, got the buckets, orange bucket. Hey, where's the one that says, let's do this? Let's do it. Yeah, all right. Thanks very much again. And it's been wonderful. It's the Brogan's Heart Adventure. Okay, and thank you, Matt, Dr. Matt. Yeah, you can listen to whatever music you want to listen to. Okay. I'll be listening too, I think, if I'm floating around or, you know, I don't think I'm going to make it to the, what's called the Death Cafe. Oh yeah, wait. Yeah, I was going to couch this in terms of a, yeah, this is a practice wake. This was a practice wake. A virtual practice wake. I was going to do that, you know, live on Memorex or whatever. Just write some comments on my YouTube channel where this is going to reside. And yeah, you know, at a wake, right? A real wake, when you're gone, people show up and tell you, whoa, Brogan was this, what? You know, I can't listen because I'll be gone, dead. But here, might as well come early, like now, and do a practice wake. It's kind of a weird concept. My dad, you know, he kind of went, you know, and I had, this is the second practice wake I've done, first virtual one. Anyway, sorry, Dad. Yeah, I'm still a little different. Okay, bye-bye, guys. Big hug. Hug on my heart pillow. I'm gonna have a heart pillow to hug, because I can't. How am I gonna? I can't. You can't move much. That's the worst thing. I'll be bored, but they say you can't really move, but that's not like me. Okay, bye from Brogan. Thanks very much. Signed off with gratitude. Okay. Yeah, I'm in my sit spot. Yeah, for a while. Bye-bye. Keep looking up.